What's going on, guys? Tyler here with another video. In this channel, we talk about how the average person can or can't make money online. We talk a lot about side hustles on this channel because starting an online business is a great way to make some money online. Honestly, the easiest way to start making money online is actually investing in the stock market. So today, we're going to go over the top 3 best investing apps for anyone looking to get started in investing. We're going to explore a lot of the pros and cons of each app and brokerage and which app you should choose that's going to be best for you. Now, before we get into this video, I set up some criteria when choosing this list of apps so that there's more transparency for you guys about which app you think might be best for you. So the rules are as followed. 1. I've had to use this app or brokerage for a minimum of at least 3 months so I can give you guys an honest review. 2. Every app and brokerage has to provide fractional shares, so you can invest as much or as little money as you like and still get the benefit of a stock going up or down. And 3, each app has to offer no commission trading because no one wants to pay extra money when you're first getting into investing. I will also include affiliate links in the video description to give you guys benefits when choosing to sign up for one of these apps. If you sign up with one of these links, it will also help out the channel just a little bit as well. So let's get into it. Oh gosh, Robinhood. Okay, this is probably the most controversial of all the apps. If you didn't hear about the controversy with Robinhood and GameStop at the beginning of 2021, I would suggest looking into it. Because that thing with Robinhood and GameStop was just straight up wrong. However, it is hard to deny that Robinhood is the easiest of all the investing apps. Its UI is top class, easy to understand, and they make it so easy for you to get started. The pros are, there's no minimum for setting up an account. And they even give you access to crypto and options trading right off the bat. It has an easy, streamlined interface and has a graph on the homepage showing you how much you've earned over time. And honestly, that is the best part about this app. It is so much fun. Their educational system of learning how to invest within the app is okay. You'll have a good idea how the app works for investing when you first start out, but to be honest, as you learn more about investing, you'll find that Robinhood could do more to offer more information about a particular stock. Trading on this app is so dang simple. You basically just set up a trade, swipe up to confirm, and you've already bought the desired stock, option, or crypto you want. Of all the apps, Robinhood is the easiest for the casual investor who is just getting started. For its sign-up offer, Robinhood provides a free stock when signing up with an available link. To break it all down, if you're looking to limit costs or maybe even just trade crypto, Robinhood is probably the best choice. However, there are some cons with this app, but it's really more if you're more of an experienced trader. The simplicity of Robinhood's UI is both its greatest strength and weakness. Because as you get more involved with investing with Robinhood, you'll find that it just doesn't offer as much info as people would like to know about the day-to-day movement of a particular ETF or stock. They also have a very limited customer support, which just isn't that great. Another thing I would like to note is that Robinhood is just not very transparent with how they make their money because of no commission trading. They also have a lot of control over which stocks people on their platform can trade. I mean, just like with GameStop, they seriously could just straight up ban you from trading or selling out of positions with a particular stock, which is a big problem when things like GameStop happen. The hope is this won't affect you, and most likely it never will. But if you like to invest in meme stocks, it's definitely something you should keep an eye on. The biggest problem I had when using Robinhood was actually FOMO. Because it's so easy to trade and confirm, I would not be consistent with my long-term investments because I was scared of seeing the stock drop too far, which would always lead me to trading out and then jumping back in when the stock was way higher. And in the end, I would just end up losing a lot of money. However, if you can keep your tolerance when a stock drops, this is really a great app to get started in investing. Putting in like $100 a month in trading will teach you a lot. So even if it's not the best app for me personally, I still absolutely recommend it. Robinhood is the easiest app to learn how to trade. It is so simple to submit trades. Depending on how much time you want to spend looking at your investments on a day-to-day basis, you will learn so much about the stock market. Alright, next up is WeBull. If you've researched apps about investing before, you've probably heard about this app because for beginners, it has the best offer when you're first signing up. WeBull definitely appeals to a mobile first generation of someone who's just more of a casual investor, very similar to Robinhood. Of all the apps we're looking at, WeBull has the coolest interface for its desktop and mobile apps. I mean, seriously, look at it. It looks so cool. The app also delivers an impressive array of tools for active traders, like these features are awesome if you're interested in trading options specifically. The best part when you first sign up is WeBull will offer you 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more when using an available link. And of all the apps we're going to go through, this is easily the best offer when you're first starting out. The pros of WeBull are it's easy to use, it has a lot of advanced tools for people who already know a lot about investing, and it also has access to crypto, because Dogecoin is going to the moon, baby. However, the cons for this app is difficult for people who are just getting started in investing. While the UI does look awesome, if you're not already familiar with investing, these charts can look confusing to say the least. WeBull's biggest downfall is they really don't offer a lot of educational content about the app. So when you're trying to understand the charts and the info you get within the app, you have to learn it outside of the app, like on Google or YouTube, and that can leave a lot of beginners on the fence. I mostly used WeBull for trading options because it gave me way more information I needed to correctly execute trades. However, I'm not gonna lie, it was a steep learning curve, and honestly, I'm still learning quite a bit. It also does not have access to mutual funds, which can make it hard to invest broadly within a specific market sector, which can be really difficult when you're first starting out. However, WeBull is growing fast, and I hope in the future they will be able to fix some of the educational issues that they have with their app. So if you're comfortable with a little bit of a learning curve at first, WeBull offers probably the best reward for signing up with a link. It's also probably the best app in the long term because you'll learn so much about the stock market because of all the information that they give you, and you can learn how to make better and more informed trades. Because of the sign-up offer and the amount of info that you get, it's a great app if you're going to be more serious about investing to start out. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. Out of all the apps on this list, I will admit I'm a little biased because Stash is actually my favorite. Investing in a lot of ways is actually a long-term game because to make some actual money from the stock market in a meaningful way, you need to have a lot of money in. The best way to build up your funding in the stock market, if you don't already have a lot of money to start with, is by investing weekly, even if it's as little as $5 a week. I feel that Stash does the best way of implementing this. Stash's claim to fame is it's all about making investing approachable for beginners. So if you're looking for a little hand-holding while you build a portfolio of stocks and ETFs, Stash may be a good fit. Basically, when they sign up, they ask you to choose between a conservative, intermediate, or risky portfolio. Then they offer you stocks and ETFs based off your profile and ask you to invest weekly to build up your wealth on a weekly basis. I've been using this app for the past 6 months, investing around $25 a week, and honestly, I love how easy it makes it for me. It just takes the money out of my account weekly and invests it into the ETFs I've chosen. I love it because I don't have to think about it, and I know that's all working for me in the long term. Stash is much different than the other apps I've mentioned because they do not show you a lot of info like the charts about the day-to-day movement of a stock or ETF. They really want you to focus on the long-term benefits of investing. They also offer cool features like a smart portfolio, which automatically rebalances your account upon withdrawals or contributions to keep your profile in the range of growth that you want. Their initial sign-up offer with the link isn't bad. You get $20 when you sign up with the link. It's not as fancy as saying 2 free stocks, but it's still a solid offer because if you choose not to use Stash in the long term, you can just cash out those $20 for yourself. The pros and cons of Stash are as followed. Value-based investment offerings, educational content and support, and a hands-off trading experience. The cons are high ETF expense ratios, smart portfolios do not offer tax loss hovering, and doesn't offer charts on day-to-day movement of a particular stock. Personally, of all the apps, I think Stash is the best one because it really allows me to not think too much about investing on a day-to-day basis. Sometimes I wish they would offer me a little more data about how well a stock or an ETF is performing, but honestly, this app is what first got me started in investing and has been the best solution for me personally. So which app will you be getting started in with investing? Personally, I like Stash the most because I'm still learning a lot about investing. I kind of like someone holding my hand through the process. Anyway, that's it for me, guys. I hope you guys can like and also subscribe. Next week, I think I'm going to try my first challenge video with either affiliate links or dropshipping. So comment on the video about which one you would be more interested in watching. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video.